Sunburn. There is news that rumors that sunburn, which has been stopped by the government because of opposition. I was the first to raise an issue, and my issue is very simple. We are not against development. We are not against the economy rising. We are not against the industry. We are against the second wave that is supposed to come. In anticipation, I don't want people to get their health at stake. Very important thing was Delhi. There is a rise in cases. What happened in Delhi is happening in Goa. Exactly the same thing. And I was telling the government at that point of time, when the first wave came in, take example of what they are doing in Delhi. What mistakes they have done, let us not do. Now we know that cases are increasing. Suddenly there is a steep rise. Abroad, I know that there is a cold wave, and here there is a hot wave. Or rather, it is not so cold here. Whereas Delhi is cold, Goa is not so cold. But I want to tell the government, don't take a risk as far as health is concerned. And for all those people who say from abroad, want to say that we want to come to Goa, the organizers who have said that there are a lot of people who want to come to Goa. We have to be alive, we have to be healthy, we can come anytime. We are not against development. We have not said we don't want sunburn. We have only said you can postpone it, not at this time. Second, drugs that have been, we are against the drugs that are happening. I am telling the police, you told me I was the guy who went to the DGP and told them, gave them information. Who is taking drugs? I told them a trail of drugs. They told me that these people are under watch. After watching, there is a charge by me on the DGP, on the police, on the home department. And the charge is very simple. The charge is that they have not still arrested the kingpins. What about the trail from where the drugs is coming? If it's coming from Karnataka, you have not got to Karnataka and arrested those people who supply from Karnataka. Why is it? Are you connivers in the crime? I am going to charge you all are connivers. The police, please respect your uniform. You are the lawmakers. Don't forget, don't be criminals. A conniver is a criminal. A police with an uniform cannot be a criminal. I am making a charge on you all. Sunburn has to be stopped. You have already started the casinos. Casinos without notification are already operating. They don't care. That is because the administration has lost hold on the state. This is a failure on part of the government. You can't have this type of failures. So it is entire fault goes on the government. The cabinet, the chief minister along with the council of ministers are responsible for this, and the bureaucracy. So we don't want sunburn, and if any attempt is made to start it by the back door, make sure we will tell this government, we will ask them to walk up the steps of the court, or we will get people on the ground against these people. This is our last take. And for those people, organizers who want to bribe and start the sunburn in the back, taking the back way, I'm telling you, people like us are not going to get cowed down or rather get carried away by your bags of money. No. And if the government starts, there is a charge on the government. And the charge is very simple. That you have taken money to start it. If you don't want these things to happen, if you don't want charges against you, if you don't want these people to go against you, and in the interest of Goans and the health of every Goan, don't start sunburn again till such time the pandemic is cleared of the second round. That's it.